Hello everyone, this is Ellen. In this video, I will review my mouse case that I've been using for 2 years now, how I claimed the warranty of my old Shell 2.0 case for iPhone 8, and unboxing the product that I bought from them, the mouse case Limitless Walnut 3.0 for iPhone 11, screen protector, and a car vent mount. Well, Mous is famous for doing crazy stuff to prove the durability of the case, and it protects phone from some serious impact. The mouse cases are crafted with actual real materials. This is an extreme durable case. It has what it calls air shock protection that gives full coverage across the bottom of the phone. I had my mouse case and phone for 2 years now. It has protected my phone from several drops. This is the best case I have been used so far. It's the shell that started chipping away and a bit of the shell is gone, but it still works great. So I claimed the warranty of my phone. I emailed the Mous customer experience team, gave the order number, and included 2 photos showing the defective case. And they replaced the item at no charge with a new product of the same model, and I received it within 2 weeks. They are excellent and fast action. So here it is. I have now the mouse case Limitless 2.0 for iPhone 8. I received it with no charge. Same kind, brand new. Woohoo! Yes, as you can see, there is a pin and SIM card storage. How cool it is! There you go. Perfect. Thank you, mouse case. And here is the mouse case Limitless 3.0 Walnut for iPhone 11. Extreme protection, real materials, face down protection, and a dual SIM card and pin storage. Inside the screen protector box, 2 screen protectors. It is extremely scratch resistant. Instruction card, wet wipe, sticker to pick off dust, scraper card, and microfiber cloth. I bought this Mous Limitless 3.0 Walnut for iPhone 11 for $44.99, screen protectors for $19.99, and car vent mount for $39.99 on their website www.mous.com. And I love the car vent mount, the magnetic connectivity. Well, they said Mous is worth every penny no matter what you get from them. And I hope you like this first review of mine. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!